Hello everyone, I'm Vince from DTF Station. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly load media onto the Aries 213 UV DTF printer. The Aries 213 has two motorized take-up reels and two non-motorized media feeding system. And in this video, we'll also show you how to adjust the tension of these reels. Here's what you'll need: a film, B laminating film, a blade, and some tape. Let's start by loading the B film, which is the laminating film layer. Open the printer cover. Rotate the black sleeves on both the left and right sides until you see the grooves. Use those grooves to remove the media feeding rod from the printer. Slide the rod through the B film roll core as shown. Check how the film is wound. It should unroll from the bottom. Rotate the roll if needed to correct the direction. Now place the rod back into the printer. You'll see a groove that both ends of the rod must sit in. The right side is stationary, so insert that side first. Rotate the black handle knob on the left as needed to align and fit the rod into the groove. Once it's in position, rotate the black sleeves to lock the rod in place. Now turn the black handle knob counterclockwise to loosen the tension so that the laminating film can be rolled somewhat freely. Next, check that the vacuum is turned on. We recommend a vacuum intensity of 4 to 6, depending on the film thickness. In this video, we'll use an intensity of 6. The vacuum helps hold the A film in place when loading. Turn the reel tension knobs on both sides counterclockwise to loosen them. This will let the reels move more freely. Grab the A film and check its orientation. Unlike the B film, the A film needs to unroll from the top. Turn the black knobs counterclockwise to unlock and move the feeding reels outward. Lock the left reel in place, then slide the A film roll into it and make sure the film still unrolls over the top. Bring the right reel in, snug it against the film roll, and lock it into place by turning the black knob. Unroll the A film and guide it under the large rod. Then push it onto the printer bed and onto the vacuum platen. The vacuum will hold it in place. Move to the front of the printer and disengage the heating roller by turning the knob on the right-hand side. Pull more of the A film forward and feed it through the gap until it overlaps with the B film. Check if it's centered and adjust the A film from the feeding reel in the back if needed. Once it's centered, engage the heating roller again by turning the same knob. The A film has two layers, a protective top layer and an adhesive layer underneath. Use a blade to carefully score and peel off the protective layer as shown. Push the peeled protective film toward the back of the printer and feed it underneath the lower take-up reel. It should pass over the two rods and attach to the take-up core. Loosen the black knob on the motor to center the reel with the film. Tape the film to the core. Then tighten it to lock it in place. Turn the reel tension knob counterclockwise until you see the spring mechanism inside. Switch the motor to position 1, and you'll see the take-up reel begin turning. Pull the B film forward until it reaches the adhesive layer of the A film. Align it so it's centered, then stick it down. Note: it's okay if the B film doesn't fully cover the A film. About 1/4 inch from the edge has no adhesive. On the touchscreen, press and hold the down button to slowly advance the film through the heating roller. As the film moves forward, it may bunch up slightly. Use your hand to gently pull the A film down and support the heating roller. Center the front take-up reel to the combined film, as shown in the video. Loosen the black knob on the motor to release tension, and then switch the motor to position 2. Now that the film is loaded and the motors are running, let's go over how to fine-tune the tension on the take-up reels and media feeding systems. For the front take-up reel, if the tension is too high or uneven on both sides, the film can slip or bunch up on the print bed. Too much pull can also wear out the heating roller or lead to poor print quality. Make sure the tension is balanced and not too tight. Keep the B film feeding rod tension low. If it's too tight, it can cause uneven lamination or bunching on the print bed, which can lead to a head strike. There's no exact setting for this. Just keep adjusting if you notice bunching. Also, keep the protective film take-up reel tension low. If it's too tight, it may pull the A film even when the printer's not running. Adjust the tension so the take-up motor runs smoothly, like in the video. The A film feeding system needs just the right amount of looseness too. If it's too tight, it can stress the heating roller, cause shifting, or lead to bunching, all of which can affect print quality. Every printer is a little different, and tension may vary depending on the film you're using, but now that you know what to watch for, you'll be able to micro-adjust the tension as needed. Thanks for watching.